In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for market research. We'll walk through a simple workflow that helps you understand your market, your competitors, and the keywords that can drive growth. I'll guide you on where to click, what to look for, and how to interpret the data so it's actually useful for your business. First, log into your Semrush account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand panel. Hover your mouse over the traffic and market section. A submenu will appear. Scroll down in that panel until you find the market section and then click on Market Overview. On this page, you'll see a field where you can enter a competitor's website. Type in the domain of a main competitor in your industry, then click Analyze. Semrush will now pull data about that website and the overall market. This can take a little while, so give it a moment to load fully. When the data has loaded, scroll down the page until you see a card labeled Growth Quadrant. This is a key visual for market research. The growth quadrant helps you identify who the industry leaders are, which players are emerging, and how much total market traffic they're getting. Take a moment to see where your competitor sits in that quadrant and mentally note the size of the market and which domains appear as leaders. This view gives you a quick snapshot of the competitive landscape. Next, we'll dig deeper into how your competitors are getting their traffic. Look back to the left panel again and hover over the traffic and market icon. This time, click on Traffic Analytics. You'll see another field to enter a domain. Type in a competitor's website again and start the analysis. As before, wait for all the data to load. Once everything is ready, scroll down until you see cards that break down traffic channels. Here, you'll see whether that competitor relies mostly on Google search, paid advertising, social media, or other sources. This breakdown is extremely helpful. If most of their traffic comes from organic search, you know SEO is crucial in your space. If it's heavy on paid ads, you might be entering a more competitive, ad-driven market. Now, let's move to keyword research. Go back to the left panel and this time hover over the magnifying glass icon, which opens up the keyword research section. Under that, select Keyword Magic Tool. You'll see a field where you can enter up to 100 keywords, but to start, just type a broad industry term that describes your product or service, then hit Search. Semrush will again take a moment to pull a large amount of data. Once the results have loaded, you'll see filters across the top. First, filter by intent and focus on commercial and transactional keywords. These are search terms used by people who are actively researching products or ready to buy. Then add another filter for keyword difficulty and set it to the easier range. Your goal is to find high-value keywords that don't have overwhelming competition. Spend some time scanning the list that remains. These are your high-potential opportunities, terms that signal buying intent but are still realistically achievable for your website. You can export this list or save it inside Semrush for your content and advertising strategy. And that's it. By using Market Overview, Traffic Analytics, and the Keyword Magic Tool together, you've just created a solid market research workflow inside Semrush.